Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Craving a hearty and comforting meal that packs a flavor punch as we are taking you on a culinary adventure to Goa to explore a dish that's a staple in Goan homes. It's Goan Beef Stew. Goan Beef Stew is more than just a stew, it is a symphony of texture and tastes. This aromatic stew is perfect for any occasion. Enjoy it with fluffy white rice for a cozy weeknight dinner, or serve it with a crusty bread for a satisfying weekend meal. The warm fragrance of spices and the vegetables will fill your kitchen with the inviting sense of Goa. So ditch the ordinary and embrace the comfort of Goan cuisine. Let's get cooking and create a pot of delicious Goan beef stew at home. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So now let's begin. So first keep water for boiling. Add 400 grams macaroni. Add some salt to taste. And add about 3 tablespoons oil. And give this a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 90%. Then take 600 grams beef, medium diced. Add some salt to taste. Add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. 1 lime juice freshly squeezed. And then give this a nice mix. And marinate this for about 1 hour. Then check on the macaroni. It is perfectly cooked. Make sure it is something like this. Then simply strain the macaroni. And add about 4 tablespoons oil. And gently mix it. This will ensure that the macaroni will not stick to each other. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 20 cloves. Add 3-inch cinnamon stick and fry this for a few seconds. Then add the marinated beef and fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 3 cups potatoes cut in cubes, 2 cups carrots cut in cube, 1 cup frozen green peas, and give this a nice mix. And then add half cup water, add some salt to taste, and give this a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the potatoes and carrots are soft. Then give this a mix and cover it and cook it again. Then add the cooked macaroni and give this a nice mix. Then add 4 stock cubes, add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and give this a mix. And cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. If you want, you can also add butter at this point, but I'm not gonna add butter. If you like, then please do so. And there you have it guys, a steaming pot of Goan beef stew ready to warm your soul and tenderize your taste buds. Look at that rich brown color and those tender beef pieces, a feast for the eyes and a testament to Goan comfort food. This dish isn't just about flavor, it's a culture tradition passed down through generations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious and comforting recipes like this one. Oops, almost forgot. For an extra touch of Goan flair, serve your beef stew with some crispy fried potato wedges. Now go forth and explore the warm and comforting flavors of Goa. This beef stew recipe is a great place to start. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.